The mountains are always magical. And in the winter, maybe more so than in any other season. Nothing emphasizes the stark beauty of winter here more than a blanket of freshly fallen snow. The mountain creek my brother and I played in as children is as icy cold as it looks. The shadows are deeper this time of year. The air is crisp and fresh. I don't wish away these winter days in favor of spring, because winter has its own beauty to offer and to be enjoyed. Carolina blue skies seem even bluer this time of year, especially against the snowy mountain landscape. There's just something very soothing and very peaceful about this season. The still, the quiet, the bare trees open up a window to this unique mountain landscape that's hidden in summer with leaves and dense undergrowth. It's worth enjoying and embracing every moment of this season's stark beauty. Winter, a lingering season, is a time to gather golden moments, embark upon a sentimental journey, and enjoy every idle hour. John Muir.